Here's my steak. Look at it. She's a beauty. Shut up. Right here we see the rarely spotted white morning.
Back of the throat, alright? Back.
I sound like, was it? I came here for a shootout. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is my friend Luke Kempner.
That's it.
Yes, we've never met each other. This is the first time we've met each other, but we've seen each other on social media. And I said, "What do you want to cook?" And he went,
Steaks. You went, right, I'm going to get some sexy little steaks. And I was like, oh, I was so excited.
porterhouse.
Porterhouse.
Yeah. And then this is ribeye. We're going to do some chips, and then we're going to do a variety of sauces. But first things first, give me an impression.
Alan Carr. You know, he's gone to get his whiteboard. You know, how do you pronounce your surname, by the way? Because I've got it Lagom?
I'm going to be laughing the whole time. How do you like your steak?
Rare.
Oh, good lad. So the key with cooking a steak, nice sear, dry steak. So you want to get that nice Maillard reaction, which we'll talk about.
Oh.
Chips, we're going to do triple cooked chips. The first one, what you do is you put it into a pan of boiling water, bubble, 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 blanch, and then you put them into the freezer, stop the cooking. Second, you fry. That's fry.
Yeah.
130, 140 degrees, just create the crust. No colour. And then third, bring the colour. That's like the tan. So you go on a holiday, pasty boy.
Yeah.
You've topped your tan, and then the last day is like carotene.
No lotion.
Yeah.
We just go
olive oil.
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna do these later because we don't need to worry about those.
Yes.
Do you want to chop some potatoes?
Yes. So which one? How are we chopping them?
So I'll do one like that. What's that? Half an inch?
Yep.
And then you just go down. Give us an impression while you're here. Impress.
Well, maybe a bit of Harry Kane, you know, this is Harry Kane cooking. Do you do any impressions at all?
I suppose.
Oh!
Where was that
I
going?
don't know. It's Billy Cornway.
Kenny can, pal. Yes, I like to play a bit of tennis.
Oh, play a bit of tennis.
That's the only way I can get the
was that
accent.
Andy Murray?
No, Sean Connery.
Oh, why the tennis?
Well, that's because he just talks a bit like that.
Andy Murray was my first celebrity one I did.
And it's just because it was that time, you know, when he started the, in the 2012 Wimbledon, when he lost, he said, "This is not going to be easy."
Often, when you swallow the emotion like that, people swallow with you, and everybody's swallowing at the same time.
Yeah, so with potatoes, what you want to do is wash the starch off. I did a video which will be out before this one, risotto. I was talking about how you want to keep the starch. It gives you that like spunky texture. But with these, you don't want the spunky texture because what you want to do is you want to get rid of that starch so they don't go gloopy, so you get that nice crisp. I'm just going to put this into a pan of cold water.
Right.
It's meant to be boiling, but I can't be boiled away. Yeah. Magic of TV.
You can cut that.
Yeah, exactly. Well done. We've Googled the temperatures. We're going to bring the whiteboard back in.
Maybe it should be a bit updated that. Right here we see the rarely spotted whiteboard and some rarely spotted handwriting that anybody could read.
48 degrees C. First bit is sear.
Yeah.
You want to get colour and not figure out any of the temperature. Maillard reaction either side. Flippy, good sear.
Yeah.
I always thought, oh, you want a steak bloody? It's not bloody.
Ah, it's just hemoglobin.
It's just hemoglobin.
Yeah.
It's hemoglobin? Sounds like something you fill a balloon with.
Yeah, it sounds like a posh ale. 3 points of hemoglobin, please, mate. Thank you.
So what you want to do is take your steak to this temperature for rare. Once it hits that temperature, take it out and rest. So you can leave a steak to rest for about half the amount of time you cooked it for.
Okay.
And then that will bring it up to temperature because the big word is, pick an accent.
Residue. Residual.
Residual cooking temp.
Residual cooking temperature.
Cook 48, it will go to 50. Wonderful juicy steak. Yeah, we haven't even spoke about what you actually do.
Well, I sort of do a bit of everything really. I'm a sort of comedian, impressionist, presenter, actor, show off, really.
Dad.
Now I'm in Les Mis at night playing Thénardier, which is the part that Matt Lucas and Sacha Baron Cohen played.
Very good. So for the viewers who don't know anything about Les
This is
Mis.
the thing, it's like my mum and friends will go, "Oh my god, it's so brilliant, you're in Les Mis. Who are you playing?" You go, "Thénardier," and they go, "Who's that?"
So we're just going to give it a little bit of lube. So that's kosher salt. Flippy. Yes, don't be shy. Right, so a cast iron pan like this, fantastic for doing steaks because of the even heat distribution it shall give. For the chips, they've had their first cook. Oh, I should have drained them better.
That's good.
Why am I sieving for a... To see this one here, just the edge, just starting to fluff.
Yeah.
It's still... perfect. Pretty much done. So what we do now is we freeze these, cool them down, and then we come back. Right, so hot pan, you want to hear the sizzle, and you want to render this fat down on the back here.
Oh look, there's your hemoglobin.
There she is.
First things first, nice hot pan. You really want to hear the sizzle.
you're searing that properly. I never sear it for long enough.
We got to render, so you don't want to get it. If the pan's like ripping hot,
Yeah.
then that's just going to burn and it's not going to melt any of that fat.
No, you don't want to lose that.
Yeah. This stage,
Yeah.
what you need to understand is that the steak is not going to be perfectly flat.
Okay.
So if you're pushing it down, then there may be a little pocket that it's not going to hit. So all you need to do is let it go for a little while, but then you can pick it up, move the oil around the pan, and put it back down.
Yeah.
You don't want to be like flipping it.
Yeah.
You want to build up that sear, so that Maillard reaction. Right, what sauce are we going to make with this? Because we can make a sauce during the resting period.
Okay, yeah.
What is chimichurri?
Chimichurri is like an Argentinian herby thing,
Okay, yeah.
says Google. So it's normally like parsley, red onion, chili, red wine vinegar, olive oil, garlic. Yeah. Do you want to keep an eye on this and I'll chop?
Oh God.
Or do you want to chop and I'll keep an eye on that? You keep an eye on that.
Oh God.
So, chop this down. Parsley.
It's 18 degrees.
There we go, mate. Yeah, go on, give it a flip. I reckon she's good for a flip. Oh, look at her. Let's get on Z wrong.
Oh, she's beautiful.
She's lovely. Now you've got a good sear. That's the Maillard reaction. That's what's going to make it taste nice. Now you can just keep flipping it, making sure it doesn't burn.
And we're talking like what, every minute?
Yeah.
Every minute.
Quite smoky in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're back. We had a bit of a smoky issue, but we're back.
Still only 30 degrees.
Lovely. All right, so at this point, the heat is penetrating at a faster rate than you can imagine.
Yeah.
Now it's the time to start basting, and then we'll turn the heat down. Right, so chimichurri, I've gone parsley, red onion, get some garlic in there, smoky salt, good olive oil, and then the creme de la creme, bit of vinegar.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we need a little bit of oregano. We let that steep for a little bit, and then we are good. So we're hitting the most important time, which will be the resting period.
Yeah.
Oh,
Here it comes, you ready?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let that rest, and then in this pan, what we should have done is we can start making a peppercorn sauce. So peppercorn sauce, really easy. Build a nice base.
Yeah.
Still a bit of this.
Some sort of impression for this?
Go on.
Thought maybe a bit of Louis Theroux. He'd be good at cooking, wouldn't he? Sort of taking an interest in it. This looks weird, does it? These onions are weird. Are onions okay? Am I okay?
Oh no, doesn't feel
No,
okay.
don't knock that. That's important.
Right, you mix that.
Yep.
Keep stealing some juice from here.
Mixie.
Oh yes. Soften down onions.
With some double cream.
Beef stock. Oh dear. It's like a festival toilet. Oh. This has been resting for how long?
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Actually,
Oh, mate.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Hello.
Temperature probe. Yeah, she's looking nice, well rested.
We need some of those black gloves.
We've got some.
Black gloves on. I've always wanted to wear gloves. Oh, yeah.
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 Oh, I feel better.
It feels good with the gloves.
Mate, I think we've done an oh.
Shut up.
Hang on.
Oh. And on a black glove.
Oh. Right, then.
Yes.
This is a smoky salt. Oh,
Do you like salt there?
Yeah. No. I'm dribbling.
Can we?
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh, fucking hell. Oh my God.
Oh.
That's up there.
That is
Oh my God.
£45 well spent. And this is the old chimichurri.
Loving it. Two grown men. Two dads with some gloves on.
Yeah. What did you do today?
I went primal. This is going to come out halfway through Les Mis tonight.
Exactly. What's the line you're saying?
Master of the house. Frozen chippies.
Okay, so this is, they've done their cook.
Yeah.
They're frozen. Now they're going to go in here.
Two.
This is, yeah. Two, yeah. So it's going to go in here, 130. That's it, always pour it towards you. Jesus fucking Christ.
Towards you?
Always pour away. Right, so we let them do their thing.
Yeah.
They're going to take 5 minutes. We just want that autoclust. First fry's happened. We've lost a few, but who cares? That's
all right.
So we built up a little bit of the crust,
Yeah.
but no real colour.
Okay.
And then the next step is hot oil, and then that's when we'll get them nice and crispy. So put that in. We'll go cook the steak outside. Right, so where does the oil go?
Okay, first pan, hot, oil in the pan. There, bit of lube, bit more. Nice. Come on, big boy. Here's my steak. Look at it. She's a beauty. Shut up.
You haven't seasoned it.
Fuck off. I wasn't seasoning it yet. Salt. Look at that. Lovely. You want to get the salt really close to the steak. There we go.
Right, lovely.
Lovely, good stuff.
Right, other side.
Whoa. Mate, do
That's all right.
you want some steak with that salt?
Okay, here we go. Ready for the sizzle. That's what you want to listen out for.
My favourite impression is such a random one. It's Christopher Biggins.
right? Because his voice is so far from me, and obviously I don't look like him, but it's just such a wonderful, performative voice, and he's got this great laugh. This I love a bit of meat inside me. But it's wonderful.
Chips in. So this is the crisp, third fry.
Okay.
They'll take 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Right, peppercorn sauce. Have you tried it?
Nope.
Great. Okay. Right, stick your finger in. See what you think. I know what it needs, but what do you think it needs?
Oh.
We left the salt outside. I just gave it away, didn't I?
Salt? Maybe more pepper.
Yeah, exactly. I tell you what we need to do. We should do some rosemary salt for the old.
For the chips.
Yeah. You pull some rosemary. You tug some rosemary. Get it in there.
How long do I do this for?
Garland. Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah. Right, what do we want to serve it on? What do you want to serve it on?
I feel like a block of wood.
Works in the West End.
Yeah, exactly.
Here you go, chef. Do you want to chop it?
Yeah.
Good way to do it. Go like this.
Yeah.
Put your finger on the other side.
And then you keep
Slice.
it again. Can I cook this?
You did so well, mate.
Thanks, man.
I think it was your Ramsay impression. Okay, chippies.
Okay.
Rosemary salt. Oh!
Honestly, some of the best smells I've had in my nostrils. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Here we go, look at that.
Oh,
That is how you make that.
can I eat it off a knife?
You can do whatever you want. That knife is very sharp, so just...
Oh, don't worry, I'll...
yeah. Garçon has died.
Hang on.
Oh. Yeah, give it to me. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh, man.
I tell you what. I was a little bit worried it's going to be really salty.
Because of all that salt I've got on it.
Yeah. Oh, chippy whippy.
I've got a colour on that, mate.
Oh.
That's a lot of sunbeds.
Can I feed you?
Ha.
Hang on, wait for the drip. And one more drip. Go. Oh, no. Can we have one last impression to say goodbye to the viewers?
Okay.
Can you say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.
Okay.
And also give all your handles.
Should we do it, Michael? Yes.
Michael, yes.
We've enjoyed this. We've liked this. We like this. We've enjoyed this. We've had some lovely steak. We've had some triple cooked chips with rosemary, all sorts of things. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe because that's important, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah, with my big chef on my big show. And you can also follow me at Luke Kempner on TikTok. And on Instagram and X. You can follow me on all of those things. Also, come and see me live. Go to my website, lukekempner.com. Is this your YouTube channel or mine?
Yours now.
Yes, thank you.